What is up, guys? Welcome back to the North Country Farm. Today we're working on something that I really struggle with here on the homestead, but it's something I need to get better at, and that is maintaining. Now, I'm not great at maintaining the mechanical stuff on our farm, and I need to improve on that because I'm not great at fixing as well. And if I'm not going to be great at fixing, then I should be awesome at maintaining. Write that down. That's a good tip. So guys, right now we're sitting inside my truck. It's the farm truck. We use it for mostly just farm purposes. But the headlights are going out. And because we are going to be plowing with it here pretty soon, that means that we will be using it in the evening times when needed. So we need the lights to stay on all the time. Now, when I drive and hit bumps, they start to flicker. And then if I put my hand up in there and sort of wiggle around on the wires, they turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. So obviously it's an issue. So today we are starting to fix that. Now, we've gone to the Pull and Save, the junkyard, and we pulled a replacement part. I don't know what this thing is, guys, because I'm not mechanical. We're going to sort of just fake the funk the whole way through this thing. My idea is to pull it apart, see how it's assembled, and then reassemble it, reinstall it, and try to remember to do it properly. I don't think this is a huge fix. I believe I've identified where the problem is, so that's where we're going with this today. We're going to try and get the lights fixed here on the truck. Alright guys, so I'm trying to provide you a view as to what we are looking at here. Now I've taken this dash cover off, the little panel here. And this piece here, this housing, is what we're going to try and take off. So it looks like we just got 4 bolts to take out, and then I believe the fuse plugs in, and that should be it. I think that's going to be all that we need to do. I'm sure it's not that simple, so let's just get started on this. So like I've said in the past, guys, mechanicking is not my forte. I hate working on this kind of stuff just because it is complicated to me, which is not a reason to not do it, which is the reason why I am doing it. Because when you don't maintain a problem, you create a bigger problem, and I've created a bigger problem, so now it's time to fix a big problem. Alright, so the bolts are out, and we're going to just try and slide this thing straight out. Oh, there goes something. See, now I got to remember that that thing goes there. There's some more stuff breaking. Guys, this is a 91 Ford F-250. And it has been one of those things that has just kind of been a pain in the butt, where I've put a lot of money into, and it's just continued to have more problems. Alright, well, it looks like this nut needs to come off. But it's one of those things where it's just kind of, it's been a problem after a problem, you know, getting a vehicle of that kind of age, and of course not just maintaining it as a daily driver. It's just become an issue, and it's a lot of money. So, you know, we've debated back and forth about whether or not just to let it go, stop dumping money into it, and just buy a new vehicle, or a newer vehicle. We've done the new vehicle thing, and just getting in that kind of debt for something that diminishes in price so quickly, we just decided to never do it again. Alright, we're making progress. We got stuff coming apart. And I think this will just, yeah, that just pulls off. Look at that. Looks like once we get this off, it'll allow this whole housing to come apart. There we go. Alright, we're making progress, and we're going to stick this right back on here just so we don't lose it. Give it a couple of threads. And then this thing needs to come off. Not sure how that works. Okay, bingo. Alright, and then this is our next part. Oh, and you can see right here, guys. You can see where it's hot right there. Looks like it's burned this wire too. So this might be a little more than just swapping out this little part. This might be a huge wiring issue. In which case, I'll be in over my head. But we'll get this other one put on, hopefully without breaking these tabs. Alright, there it is, and guys, look at that. Looks like a poor connection melted that thing. Man, I just don't know if swapping this thing out was even what needs to be done. Looks like some stuff caught on fire in here, so maybe swapping this out is the right thing to do. Yeah, we got some melted stuff. Why not? So we'll put it on. Put the new one on, and we'll see if it's enough of a contact, if it goes on right. That should be right. Yeah. Hey, whoop. I think we might have done it, guys. So this little light of mine turned on, which is good because it didn't do that the last time. So what it might have done was just burned up that housing. Don't know the proper term for it because, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Bring this dude back through like that. Guys, if this works, I might have to just edit out all of my narration and make it look like I knew exactly what I was doing. I'm just kidding, that wouldn't be our style. Alright guys, so I'm going to get this reattached, get it put back on, and then we'll check it. So I'll be right back. That is it. She is in. So, moment of truth. I'm going to grab a hold of you guys because we're going to get out in the rain. It is a rainy day today. It's a good day to work inside the truck. Unfortunately, this project didn't take us too long. Let's get out and check. Guys, look at that. We got working headlights. Now, you can see here, here's another issue, a little lack of maintenance. We could probably use some new headlights on this thing. Sort of a, it's a pretty big flaw of mine, guys. But the truck is fixed, or this problem's at least fixed. And I feel good about that. That's good to... That's good to get taken care of. You know, it was such an easy fix. It's such an annoying thing, and I'll be honest with you, I put it off for quite some time. But you know, this is one of those things where after you've done it, it's like, that was simple, stupid simple. So, you know, I know for the future now, and at least I've got one little thing I can put in my hat saying, hey, I got a little bit of experience in this, and I'm sure one day I'll be able to rebuild this entire truck. But until then, it's a struggle, and it's a pain in the butt to think about, in their hard lessons, because they usually cost money and they usually take a long time, but that's part of the learning process. Well guys, this problem's fixed, which means this video is done, so I appreciate you guys watching. I would normally ask for suggestions in the comment section, but we tackled it this time, guys, so thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.